The DispoPilot allows the driver to communicate with the dispatch agent. The unit and holder are part of the installation kit. You've already installed a computer in the vehicle, so now you have to find the cable behind the passenger's footwell trim. For the installation of the DispoPilot, remove some trim pieces. Move the cable for the DispoPilot over to the center console. Now install a fixture of the unit on the center console. For the base plate, drill 4 holes. Their positions are marked on the plastic surface. Screw on the base plate. On this template, you'll find the position of the next 4 holes. Then drill a larger hole on the plastic edge of the console. Increase the size of the hole so the plug and cable can pass through. Afterwards, screw the connection coupling to the fixture. The coupling has to go through the mat, of course, so cut a hole in the mat in the corresponding place. Then link up the cable and put on the fixture. That was it. Now the DispoPilot is operational. Put back all trim pieces once again. It just remains for us to wish you well. Thanks to the DispoPilot, the driver can save empty runs.